What will the Orina say? Comfort is the enemy of growth. Yes, comfort is the enemy of growth. Welcome back to What Will the Orina Say? I'm Orina, and today's hot seat through this is, comfort is the enemy of growth. Mtangazaji, what feels good right now might be the very thing holding you back. Let me sit properly so that I can talk to you. Let me be very real with you. Nobody ever grows in comfort. Growth requires a stretching, it requires risk, it requires you stepping into the unknown. Comfort zones are very beautiful, by the way. But nothing ever blossoms there. Think about it. Let's talk about a seed. A seed has to break open in the dark soil before it can grow into a tree. Let's talk about a chick. A chick has to crack the shell to see the world. And you have to stay beyond your safe spaces if you want to see the next level of your destiny. The danger of comfort is subtle. It whispers, stay there, you are fine. But comfort slowly kills ambition. It keeps you stuck in average when you are even destined anyway for greatness. Comfort says that don't try. But when growth says try anyway, even if you fail, try anyway. Look back at your life, by the way. The times you grew the most were the times when you were challenged, the times you stretched or even uncomfortable. So that new job, that move, that risk, that season you didn't even understand. Yes, it was uncomfortable. Yes, but it built you. So hear me clearly today when I say that comfort is not your friend. If you want to grow, you must be willing to be uncomfortable. Pressure may hurt, yes, but comfort will paralyze you. Pressure is hurting, yes, but pressure, it will paralyze you, my friend. From the last shout out to last episode, I've got to highlight this fire comment from Rose. Rose says that the pressure doesn't destroy diamonds, it reveals them. Oh, that's really good. That's the truth, And David also said that if you are under pressure, maybe it means that God is about to polish your shine. Wow, that one deserves a replay. Wow. My final word today is this: don't settle for comfort. Step into the challenge. Step into the unknown, because comfort is the enemy of growth, and the growth is the path to your destiny. This is What Will the Orina Say? Your hot seat truths. Every episode, like, share, and tag someone who needs to hear this message today. Peace.